Today I'm sharing a fun and refreshing summer snack, watermelon fries with Greek yogurt strawberry dip. These fruit fries are fun because they look like real fries but have a refreshing and sweet twist. Let's get started. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice the chilled watermelon in half. Place 1/2 cut side down and slice into 1/4 inch thick pieces. You'll get these kind of half moon shapes. Take one of the half moon shapes and slice off the rind. They are healthy and hydrating snack perfect for summer or any time you get fresh watermelon. Now cut each piece into rectangles. These will be the base of our fries. To make fries look extra cool, I'm using a crinkle cutter. The crinkle cut gives them a fun texture and make them look just like the fries we all love. But if you don't have one, regular fries are just fine. Once all the fries are done, chill them in the refrigerator. To make our deliciously creamy strawberry dip, in a blender, add 1 cup of chilled yogurt, 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2-3 tablespoons of honey. This is a creamy, sweet and tangy dip that goes perfectly well with our watermelon fries. Blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Pour the creamy strawberry dip into a serving bowl. Arrange the watermelon fries on the platter. Sprinkle some chopped mint or basil leaves over the fries. You can also add a little lime zest if you want extra zing. And your refreshing watermelon fries with the delicious Greek yogurt strawberry dip are ready to enjoy. Enjoy this fun and healthy treat as a snack or a dessert. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.